Hi there and welcome to another video by Dave Tromp, and in this video I will give you an update on my investing portfolio. So let's have a look. So here we are at my portfolio in investing.com. This is the portfolio where I track all my holdings. So this involves precious metals like silver, cryptocurrencies and dividend stocks. And as you can see, I also added a non-dividend stock like Facebook. So let's have a look at my portfolio, how it is grown, how it has grown. And if you remember from the last video, I was at 5,000 euros value. And in the last 2 weeks, I've added some more dividend stocks. And also some Litecoin that I buy every week. That is done automatically. So this has grown, and let's have a look at the charts, shall we? Or at the statistics. So let's have a look. This is the revenue. So I've made my portfolio has grown by itself by over 500 euros. That is. And this is the total portfolio value in market value that has grown. There's some bump here that's not really correct. I'm not sure why that is, but I made some changes to the portfolio. I believe I moved some assets from one holding to another in Litecoin, that was which are actually the same Litecoins but just different way of adding them to the platform. So I believe that's why this happened, this bump. So the line is straight up. I've been adding funds to the portfolio, and maybe about 2,000 euros, and the other 500 euros is has been growth of the portfolio. So as you can see here, in January still we had about 500 euros of growth, and that's January. and February about 100. So that's pretty good. So let's see, let's have a look at the holdings themselves. So I've added Facebook as a non-dividend stock because last Friday Facebook went down quite a lot, and I wanted to add, or was it on Friday or Thursday? Anyway, last week, and and then it went down some more. They had good earnings, but still the stock went down. That happens. So if we look at the weighting of my portfolio, you can see that I'm still heavily weighted in silver and Litecoin, and I will not be adding to the silver position. I will only be adding to the Litecoin position by recurring buys that are done automatically. And from now on I will focus on adding more to the dividend stocks that I have. So I've built up my portfolio with some stocks like W.W. Granger, Pinnacle West, Genuine Parts. This is some fashion branding stock, VF. All dividend paying stocks except then for Facebook, and I believe I had another one. Did I buy Amazon? No, I waited on buying Amazon. Amazon had good earnings, record earnings, we can say, but it's really high, and I'm waiting for a dip. So I want to buy it on a dip if possible. So I'm gonna see what happens next week, and then maybe I'll buy some Amazon stock. That's just because I like to hold these very popular stocks just a little bit, just to keep a feeling with the market. It's not a dividend stock, Amazon stock. It's a growth stock, just like Facebook and I just like to have a little holding of these kind of stocks, just to be diversified, and also to satisfy this urge that I have to hold these stocks. But I'm not gonna go big with these stocks. Let's have a look at my crypto wallet, my Atomic wallet, where I hold all my coins. As you can see, the value is up to over 2,000 euros. This has been mainly due to growth. I only bought about 50 euros of Litecoins, or 100 euros maybe, because I buy about 50 euros a week automatically, and so that's been added here. So this growth here has been mainly due to the growth of the value of Litecoins. And as you can see, also my other holdings have been going up. As you can see here, prices have been going up. So that's pretty nice. Next week it can be down as well. So I'm not going to focus too much on it. This is really as a long-term hedge against all the funny business that's going on in the financial system, and as an alternative to holding gold and silver and stocks. Okay, what else can I say? I bought I bought some JP Morgan, Amgen, Bank of America. So I was a bit hesitant, and also ABN AMRO I bought. I was a bit hesitant to buy into the financial stocks, but I believe that especially the Dutch banks, although they're not, they're still banks, but I think they're better than most other European banks, like Deutsche Bank. I would never buy that, or some of the French banks. But JP Morgan, although I don't, I'm not really in line with their way of thinking, but I believe they're very smart people working at JP Morgan. They know what they're doing, so I believe they will be a good holding to hold. Same goes for the other banks, I think. Bank of America also. At least they pay a good dividend, and that's nice to have. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope you like this update of my portfolio. If you have any questions about my portfolio, and maybe some you want to hear me do a review on maybe some stocks or things like this, or you want to know how I decide what stocks to buy, let me know if you are interested in this, and leave it in a comment below. Also, please do not forget to subscribe if you like to stay in the loop of my portfolio and of my trading activities, and see you in the next video. Bye.